State Education Commission kabelatung haka khatsau terik nai tung araja arpulai haka lai terik nai lar kalayop diang ya ka office trekam jongka ka baka sarkar kala ai chaka hapo kaju kamala kabodon ka office embos kani ka commission kadan hapo ka jilam jongka Professor Sungoh kum ka chairperson bar chairman barim ka UPSC u Dr David Rich Imle kum unong aiboy ya kani ko office la play do mentirang ba ka jalao konrat ke sangma kum kongsan hak jiran kat katrat puli puti urakam sangma kum sumbut kongsan bat hak jiran kat ki officer katrat puli puti habai kran bat kilat thai khobor halo ka commission ka chairperson kalong harengkat ki we kijing tha ka ba ka sarkar kala deban ai ka benta ka badon kam ka de halo banya kran bat ka national education policy ka ba kijing e ki babun haka ban pentri kam ya ka kalau angru bakum ke chairperson ka commission katip ki bon ki jing e bat ki bahap ban ïathir kumta ka bahakmat e ka de ban yet lat kumno ban la ban pynbeit e kita.
This commission is known as the State Education Commission, and I've been appointed as the chairperson for this commission. Now the government has given us 3 terms of reference where we will work on it, giving recommendations to the government, and we also have certain roles to play with regards to salary, with regards to the infrastructure, with regards to financial support which is to be given by the government, and most important is we will have to discuss on the various challenges that we are going to face while implementation of the NEP 2020. Now the implementation of the NEP 2020 is a very important policy where we should implement right from the school level, and it should go right up to the highest level. So we know that in implementing the NEP 2020, we will be facing a lot of challenges, but we will try to find out solutions as much as possible to curb these challenges and to also overcome them. So the commission now, we have just started. We will be discussing on the roadmap. We will be discussing on what to do, and we will be discussing what will be our vision, what will be our mission, and also what will be expectations of the government from the commission. The duration of this commission is 2 years. The NEP has already started, especially at the university level. And now we are trying to implement it at the undergraduate level, as you have seen in the news. So the implementation will also be taken place, but we will have to decide, at the school level, I think we need to implement right from the foundation stage. So now the foundation stage, preparation for the foundation stage is already in place. And I think they have prepared, and now it's the implementation stage from the foundation stage. See, we will be discussing in the committee right now, so that is why I will let you know later, because this is a teamwork, so I cannot just decide alone. So my committee members will be there to help. We have strategies to overcome all these challenges.
Shimya ka kabu sya ka lawe ka bakwat bakya da ka bapiwan man pa pet baksya sumar haka the Shillong Heart Clinic ka badan Hanongram Hills Shillong pila ban phone ne pa message ban bu por yakindo ba Dr Sinrang Batngan Wadri u Dr bala pynbeit haka ban sumar jing pang klong snam ka clinic ka play man ka sngi light no haka sngi ublay na do ka khatway baje min step hado henry baje janmet